Welcome back to part 3, and what we're going to do now is take out this jet right here. I'm going to take this jet out. Be really careful with it, loosening it up. It's brass, and I already loosened it up. So what we're going to do is, once we loosen that and pull it out, we're going to replace it with this brand new jet, this one right here. I'm going to break in this thing, take that off and put it over here out of the way. So now I got it loose. I'm going to flip it over and just make sure there's no springs coming out or anything like that. This doesn't have a spring, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this brand new one in. It's a good idea at this point to spray that jet with some cleaner. So again, I'm using this stuff here. I'm using this stuff. Get out of the way. And so I'm gonna go ahead and right back. I'm going to put this on pause for 1 second.